Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install and configure Nginx as a load balancer. So basically, load balancing is a process of distributing traffic among multiple servers to improve the service or application's performance and reliability. So you can load balance traffic coming into your web application among multiple resources. So in this tutorial video, it's a code cloud engineering task. So I'm going to configure Nginx as a load balancer to balance to distribute traffic that is coming into the web to the load balancer server, to app server 1, app server 2, and app server 3. So the environment is loading, so I'm going to pause the video to wait for it to load up. So the environment has come up. So now I'm going to log into the load balancer server hosted in cloud and engineer, that's status data center. So 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 um um I'm going to okay, so I'm now in the load balancer load balancer server. So I'm going to install. So let me switch to the root user. So I'm going to install Nginx sudo yum. So once the installation is complete, it's time for us to configure Nginx as a load balancer. Then we add all the resource that will be involved in the load balancing process. So you can use any text editor of your choice, but I'll be using VI. So I'll be adding this the list of the servers that will be used during this load balancing process into the HTTP HTTP section of the nginx.com file. So I'll add the app server 172.16.238.10. Then second app server 2, 172.16.238.11. So do this. Okay, so I think that is good. So now this is what your configuration looks like. Your configuration is something like this. Um, After you set the servers, the sources that will be involved in the load balancing process. So you also set the server block to look something like this. So this is the URL to the load balancer server. So you can just save this and you can check your Nginx configuration dash T. Okay, that looks good. Then you can restart your Nginx server. So this is what my configuration looks like. So on the load balancer server, I'm using Nginx as the load balancer for the load balancing process. So on my app servers, that's on kodekloud engineering task, Apache is being installed on all app servers and they are running on port 8087. So don't forget when you are setting up the IP addresses of the servers that are going to be in your load balancing processes, you have to include the port number that they are going to route traffic to. So that is what is done here. So that is what is done here. As you can see around this area. So and this is the complete this is the complete this is the complete configuration of setting up configuring Nginx as a load balancer. So I will save this. So do system ctl restart Nginx. So when I click on this site app, it's supposed to route traffic to one of the one of the servers that are configured for a load balancer in the load balancing process. So as you can see, welcome to X Fusion Core Industries. So regardless of how much it takes, so it's traffic can be redirected to any of the servers that have been set up in the load balancing process. So thank you. I hope my video is helpful for you to install and configure load balancer using Nginx on CentOS 9. So thank you so much for watching my video. I would like you to share my video, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue to provide you with enough content that will be able to assist you in solving your day-to-day tasks in your various industries related to IT. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the like button. Thank you. As you can see, the task is done and so it succeeded. It was successful. So don't forget once again, subscribe to my channel, like my video and share. Thank you so much.